Now we are inside Davinci Resolve. We have two video files here. Let's play them. This is the first clip. And this is the second one. Now, let's try to import both clips into the media pool for editing. I will drag the first file into the media pool. It works fine. Now, I try to import the second file. But as you can see, the second clip is not importing. Even when I try from this side, only the first clip is showing. The second one is missing. Let's fix this import problem. Go to the View menu and turn on Show File Extensions. Now you will see the file format for each clip. The first clip is an MP4 file. The second clip is an MKV file. That's the issue, Davinci Resolve doesn't support MKV files. To fix it, we need to change the file format. Press F2 on your keyboard to rename the file. Now simply change MKV to MP4 and press OK. The format is now changed. Let's try importing the clip again. And it works. You can now see both clips in the media pool. Both videos are playing perfectly, and now you can start editing. If you want to learn more helpful Davinci Resolve tips, check out the tutorial linked in the description.